MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri Rang Baka Jelang Konrad K Sangma Mentagasngi layak tu baka sorkar jelak la Trishitom ban pensten ia kekam na kebentaban pendap no ia kejengkir sainar haki khappud ke India bat Bangladesh bahab hak jela Meghalaya. Habokran sekilat patai kubur Konrad K Sangma ulong bahag bayadei bat kani kejengkir sainar haki khappud ke India bat Bangladesh ke sorkar India ru kelabut dian bah haki jeng tentrikam haki khappud bahab hak jela Meghalaya. Ulapun paru da kabong ni la Trishitom ban pentrikam janai bat kermen skam bagani kejengkir sainar khappud ke Bangladesh bat ke India on la ban pendap no kham kloi ulong ru na kasau spa sau pau kilometer ke jengkir sainar khappud ke Bangladesh ki berang sakut bat ki ba ompat la ban pendap kadai satang sau pau kilometer kataru kadai namar badang don ki jing thut kum ke jing persha ki nong song ke jing si ya ke bailul kesan jaka bat ki badang don ru ha ke jing bisar ke yeng ke syari habakran pat halor ke jing don kam man pej perman ha ki te ki snong khappud bat ke Bangladesh menteri rang ba ke jelau long ba sorkar jela ki BSF bat ki we ki tanat ya dari kilong ki bapej ngor bat ki ba perking ba ha ki te ki benta ba khappud bat ke Bangladesh susu ulapan paru beladon ru ke jinghilang kerpang ha ke arp sautrik no pra arajar arpusan ha ke bala shimenta tagitanat sorkar ya dari nadu ki BSF IB bat ki ki balaya kran ne tai sani bhana ke benta ke jingsngan ha ki te ki khappud bat ke Bangladesh.
See, borders are always borders. So obviously for me to say that it's secure or not secure, it's not my at my level for me to comment on that because the government of India and others are involved in it. But as a state, I can tell you that all steps are being taken. The government of Meghalaya, the BSF and all the agencies are very alert. As you recall, even on the 24th, I did not give a press release on that because I thought it was an internal security matter, so I did not have a press release. But all the different agencies, we all sat together on the 24th of December. BSF was there, IB was there, and others were there, and we discussed the security matter at the border. This, as I said, was on 24th of December, Christmas Eve. So I took out time on that day also to have this review meeting because it was very important. And we've been continuously monitoring the borders. So therefore, as of now, we have seen that there is nothing major to be concerned about, but obviously we have to be very, very, very alert. And we have to be prepared in every possible way, and that's what we're doing. Apart from that, if you look at the overall situation of the border fencing, it's about 440 kilometers, as you're aware, and about 30 plus minus, maybe about 40 kilometers is the part that is pending. Then they are in different parts of the state, some in West Jaintia Hills, a bit in South Garo Hills. One or two locations in other districts are there, not much, but majority of them are in these two districts. And we have seen that there are certain issues in each location. Somewhere the population is concerned, they are like saying that the fencing should be, before the village or after the village. Those kind of concerns are there. Somewhere some land acquisition issues are there. Somewhere outright the landowners are not allowing. So those things are being worked out. In some cases, there are court cases going on. So in all of these cases, we are taking necessary steps. I had a review on this about 4 months back, and in that, most of the cases were almost resolved. So I do expect that very soon, because as I said, some of them are even having court cases, especially I think the West Jaintia Hills section, which is the largest. Which is left unfenced, which means about 40 kilometers plus minus 30-40. I stand corrected if there is a mistake there. I don't have the numbers in front, but it's about 30-40 kilometers plus minus. So I expect that will be completed also soon. So Government of India has also been following up on this, and I've been in touch with Delhi to brief them. So we are moving very aggressively on that. I hope that things should be completed soon. Elections are around the corner, so politically speaking, the current dispensation there and the government is not in the position to engage right now because obviously they're busy with the election aspect. Once the elections are over, then we will move forward again and continue the process.
MeghalayaPost.news